make changes to your website. First of all, you go here to the website, and then up here in the top, you're going to click after the domain, you're going to click /wp-admin and hit enter. And then here you're going to log in with the user and password that I will send you, which is Carlos, and then your password, which I will send you. And click login. And this is how the dashboard looks. So let's say, let me just start by saying, like, if you click back there and go back to the home page, now that you've logged in, you're going to see this gray bar up here where you can see your name here. You can log out of here. You can also edit some things up here, and I'll show you how to do it. So first of all, on the home page slider, this area that I've been updating for you is something that you're not going to be able to do it through your login because it's more technical. So, but I recommend maybe just removing this slide and then maybe placing your new flyers in this area down here. Unless you want me to take care of that, then we can talk about that later. But so you would be able to change it here. So I'll show you how to do that. This event is about to end on November 30th. So let's go. You want to edit this page, so you go up here to edit page. And here's what the home page looks like on the back. So what you would do is, you see the picture here, you're going to either replace it or you want to add a new event above it. So just put the cursor, which is this little line, hit the backspace and go right before it. And you're going to add media, click here. And this allows you to select a new picture to put in there. Now you can select a file from your desktop, like this one for instance. And then you can just hit insert into page and it will put it here. And if you want to delete the other one, you can just click delete here. And then once you save, you hit update to save it, and it will reflect the new change on the website. So we're not going to save that because you have the other events still there. So let's go back to the home page. And I'll show you how to make other changes. So let's say you want to change this text here. Then go ahead and hit edit page. And you can select it here and just retype inside of there. You can change this title and just type, you know, about Miami Allstars. And then you can click update and it'll save the changes. Anything you see between brackets like this, just leave that alone because that is coding to make things appear a certain way. So I wouldn't touch any of that. Just edit normal text and just text right over it. This is an image here. If you ever wanted to change this image, you can do so the same way as before. You would just delete it and then add a new image, hitting add media. Just make sure the image is the same size as the one that's currently there. You can check the size by clicking on this little window and click Advanced Settings, and there you can see the width is 447 pixels by 200, and so you would be able to replace it that way. And this area down here, this is just all coding, so I wouldn't touch anything between brackets, and I'll show you how everything else works. Okay, so the only areas you can really edit on the home page is this text here, this text here, this image, and this image, and that's it. And also this title here, and that's it. Okay, so that's it for the home page. Let's take another look at it. And let's say you want to, so basically all you can change here is this text, this text, this text, this image, this image, and this image, okay? This gallery preview is dynamically comes in, so you won't be able to change it from the home page. Now, let's say you want to add another sponsor. That you can do if you go to your dashboard and you go here to where it says logos. And here you can see all of your current sponsors. And the way you add them is each sponsor, the size is about 90 pixels wide by tall. And you would just click here, add new logo. And just hit whatever the title of the logo is. Then find the logo image. Just click set featured image. Here you can upload the file, or you can select the file you've already uploaded. Well, I'll leave this one for now. Then just click set featured image. And click this category here for sponsors, and that will appear. And just hit save, and that will appear in your, now all of your sponsor logos area. So we'll go ahead and delete that. If you want to delete one, just click trash here. And it will move to the trash. If you ever want to delete any of them, just hit trash. Or if you want to edit them, just open one up like this town target. Just open it up, and you can change the name, change the logo, and any of this stuff, don't worry about the rest. That's all you have to do is name and logo and click sponsors and update, okay? So that's it for the sponsor logos. Once you do that, they'll appear in your sponsor logos area, which is down here. And they'll be rotating. Okay, then the next thing we want to do is how to add an event. And let's go to the events page. And as you can see, we have had the past events here, and I'll show you how to add an event. The way you do that is you can go up here to events and click add event. And then just title of the event. Title of event. And then you can select what type of event it is here in the categories area, either competition, or it's a fundraiser, or both, or whatever you like it to be. So just click publish. Well, not publish yet, but you need to add a featured image. So that could be your flyer. So you can upload a new image by hitting upload files and select a file from your computer. Or you can go to the media library of images you already have and select one there and just click featured image. We'll use this for an example. And then you're going to go to the event time and date and event details, basically. So for time and date, you just click in this box and you can select the date. And then you can select the time over here in this area, and you can do a start date and end date. It could be a thing that ends a few days, but here you can select all the dates. The location, I have a few locations I already put in here for you that you've had in the past. So let's say it's at the Coral Gables Museum, you would just click that and it will be already in there. If you have a new venue, just click use new venue, and then you would enter all the details of the new venue here. I have, these are the event organizer details. This, I already have you selected here, so you can just put yourself. And that way all of your telephone number and contact information will appear. If you have a new organizer, it's the same thing as the venue. You put the information there. So for now, we'll just put you. And then for event cost, you could just put here $50 and whatever the price is. So, yes, then I would take off comments and just go ahead and hit publish. You can also enter some information down here in excerpt about the event if you wanted to add some extra information. But anyway, so let's take a look at our events that we did, our test event. And this is it pretty much, what it looks like on the front. See, as you can see, it has your organizer details, all of that. So let's edit this event again because I want to add a location. So let's say this is located at the in the venue. It's located at Coral Gables Museum. Let's update that. And let's preview. And now you can see that the Coral Gables Museum has been added and the map is here. So it's pretty cool. And then you go to, if you go to the events page where the calendar is, you'll also see it here in this area here, title of events. So let's just delete, let's just go to events. And let's go to the dashboard, because you can also access events through here. And here's where you see all of them. This is the one I just did, so let's just trash that one. And that's how you do events. Now let's show you how to do the gallery. So let me show you how I would do a new gallery. For instance, you have here this gallery, and if that's to open it, and then the link is to go to the gallery. And here you can go from picture to picture. So let's do one. So let's go ahead to the dashboard, and these are called portfolios. So if you click on portfolio, you'll see all the galleries here. This includes the video galleries, like the Kali TV gallery, which is here. And I'll show you how to do first a picture gallery and then a TV gallery. So the way you would do a new gallery, you would click Add New, and you do the gallery, let's call it Tests Gallery. And then here is where you would upload all of your new images. So you can do 3 images and click Upload. And here's where you can select the file from your computer, or you can select the file from the media library. So make sure the file sizes are not very big so that your website doesn't slow down. So you could click up to 3, and then you would add a featured image. So just add 1 image to show on the gallery page to show as the first image. You would click it here, and then you would hit Set Featured Image, and that would add the new gallery to the page. Now let's show you how to do a video gallery. The video gallery, you hit the same thing, Add New, and you would call it the title, and then here you need to enter where it says video. Okay, where it says here paste code for video iframe. Okay, here it has some information for the iframe height and width. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to youtube.com and select a video. This one happens to be about basketball. And you're going to go to Share, and you're going to go to Embed, and there's an iframe code right there. So you copy this code from your video, then you go back to the page, and you're going to paste the code here. Now make sure that the height is 360 and the width is 100%. So you just put here where the width equals 100% and the height is 360. Now you're also going to need a feature image. So what you would do here is take a screenshot of this, and then click Set Featured Image, and then upload that screenshot. Go to my desktop. I believe it's this one. Let that upload, and click Set Featured Image, and click Publish. Well, oh, you have to click here Videos for categories, and click Publish. And then we're going to go to the gallery page. And now you can see here what we just did. So when you click on the link, you'll see it here, and from here you can play the video. And there's the title. So that's how you upload a video to the video gallery. And then let's take a look at the other pages. Let's go ahead and delete that, since that's not a true video that we need. Then you can just go back here to the dashboard, go to Portfolio, and since we did that, this test here, we'll just trash it. Okay, and let's go to the other pages. Scholarship winners. The rest of the pages are pretty simple to edit. You would just click on the page and then go Edit Page. And then in here, you would, if you wanted to edit this text, you'd click on the little pencil and edit the text in here. Cancel this. Cancel. Okay. And if you want to click edit this, you have to, very important, click on this little pencil, this area, and then you can edit the text there. And we're going to cancel that. Okay. Then let's go to another page. Tournaments. This is the same thing, pretty much. Sorry, tournaments. I'm going to edit page. And if you want to edit any of this, you click on the pencil. And this opens up. And you can change the text here and change the text there. If you want it to stay the same color, just make sure you highlight over it and write over it. Okay. And let's go to another page. Press and media, we haven't done anything on these pages, but they all change the same way. Blog, if you want to write a blog post,